9, you may not love going to the dentist, but should you be doing the work yourself?
No.
Oh, man. There's a TikTok thing that's happening. We're going to get some answers from an expert. All right, thanks a lot, Carly. Well, you know, if you use TikTok, you know the app is chock full of cool hacks and ideas that just make your life easier. But some ideas and techniques are better left to the professionals, Nick.
Some more dangerous, others less dangerous. For example, dentistry. What do you think about getting dentistry tips from TikTok? Well, people around the world are resorting to homemade remedies, but social media this time has taken it to, of course, a whole new level. And for more on this, we turn to Dr. Katie Champion from Kansas City University. Dr. Champion, now, first off, are you a dentist?
I am a dentist, yes.
Okay. I don't know why we have to go through this, but I guess we do since TikTok is a thing these days. Can you tell us the difference between homemade remedies and professional measures like the ones that you use? And for example, we're going to start with the difference between Mr. Clean and hydrogen peroxide. What's going on TikTok here, doctor?
So on TikTok, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is being used for at-home whitening treatments, which is particularly dangerous because Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is made of a melamine foam, and it contains a compound called melamine formaldehyde sodium bisulfite copolymer, which is actually extremely toxic when ingested. So if you're trying to whiten your teeth with a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, you're ingesting toxic chemicals, and you're also abrading all of that good enamel from your teeth, which once you lose it, you cannot grow it back. So it can create a lot of bad sensitivity issues in the future. It's something we definitely don't suggest.
Wow. And Dr. Champion, some kids, I assume, they're using rubber bands to close a gap instead of getting braces?
Yes. This is another TikTok hack. It's called gap banding. And when we do conventional orthodontics, we use controlled tooth movements to close the spaces in your teeth, and you're actually reforming your bone in your teeth. So when you're doing gap banding at home or putting rubber bands around your teeth, you actually are causing a lot of root malformations in your teeth, and you're susceptible to gum inflammation and infections in your teeth. You're moving those teeth too fast, and you can get detrimental long-term infections and bone remodeling that's permanent.
Oh, God, I'm just pulling it up to...
That's terrible. That's terrible. Okay, here's another one we're going to try, doctor. On Amazon, you can find temporary tooth repair kits. What can you tell us about temporary tooth repair kits found on Amazon?
So temporary waxes and tooth repair, they're available on Amazon and at CVS for, emergency situations, but these should not be used for permanent long-term solutions. If you have a cavity, it's best to obviously consult your dental professional. And if you use these at-home tooth cavity filling systems, what you're doing is not really fixing the underlying problem. You're just maybe filling a hole or filling a space, which can be a bacteria trap and then again lead to inflammation and permanent bone loss. So if you have any kind of cavity or toothache or orthodontic problem, your best bet is to consult your dental professional.
Boy, and just go ahead and say, don't use a fingernail file to shape your teeth.
That one is almost most concerning to me. That's called veneer check on TikTok. And people are filing down their own teeth, with nail files. And that's taking away your outer layer of tooth structure, which is called your enamel. And then it can go into your dentin or your pulp spaces of your teeth, which can cause permanent sensitivity and lead to serious infections, which may need root canals in the future. And I always say your dental anatomy is not an accident. Everybody's teeth are situated for their most harmonious bite. And so if you have pointy canines, that's because your mouth has adapted to need pointy canines. And you should not be filing your teeth at home for that purpose.
Wow.
You only have one set of teeth.
I know.
You know?
And it just goes, kids see stuff on TikTok, they think it's safe.
Boy,
okay. So our advice is just, if you have any kind of dental issue, orthodontic issue, make an appointment with your dentist, and make sure that you get a professional opinion, because dentistry is not one size fits all. It's very individualized, and we can't take just a mechanical outcome without taking into account, the evidence and the anatomy basis that
All right.
your
Yeah.
teeth have.
All right,
All
Dr.
right.
Champion, thank you.
Thank you so much.